Adonis provides a full-featured MVC architecture. Till now we have learned about views. Now let's move ahead and see how models work in Adonis 5. So let's create a model for our items table by using the command node s make model and the model name. And you can find the models inside app models. Here is our model item.ts. Inside the model, you will see it's simply a class that is containing some variables which are created by default. The first one is ID, which is of type number, and above it you can see the decorator syntax @column, and inside the decorator we can pass additional params. For the other two fields, it's also following the same pattern. The first option is to use the database query builder, and the second option is to use Lucid Models. So in order to use a model, we must put all the fields into our model file. So column name is of type string. To query our database,